The illegally incarcerated former Prime Minister of Pakistan Imran Khan has called his countrymen to be fearless and resolute as Pakistan is in the grips of the most brutal military rule in its history. Mr. Khan's message was tweeted from his personal X account after a party lawyer was allowed to meet him inside the maximum security Adiala Jail for a brief meeting. Mr. Khan said, quote, "My message to the entire nation, to my workers and to the party leaderships is that your captain is still standing tall with his head held high. Have no fear. Even while confined to a solitary confinement cell in this prison, I am fighting for the true freedom of my nation and I will continue to stand firm until I free my people from the chains of slavery." End quote. The former Prime Minister being held in 22-hour lockdown inside a sweltering tiny jail cell commonly referred to as a death cell. In his message, Mr. Khan revealed how he's denied books, television and even newspapers, depriving him of any information of the outside world. Mr. Khan's three sisters have also been denied the family meeting for weeks. Concluding his message, the former Prime Minister offered his condolences on the loss of life in the recent floods throughout the country while calling on Pakistanis to assist those affected by the floods. Mr. Imran Khan's unjust incarceration has now spanned 746 days. Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf has slammed the country's military regime for its inhumane treatment of former Prime Minister Imran Khan's wife Bushra Bibi inside of Adiala Jail. The PTI issued a statement on Wednesday while detailing some of the torture tactics being used by General Asim Munir-led military government. Quote, "She is being subjected to unimaginable cruelty in jail, unthinkable in any civilized society. Due to insect bites, her feet have developed wounds that had to be bandaged. Inside her room, rainwater caused a short circuit in the electrical board, and when she attempted to press a switch, she suffered 2 electric shocks. She is denied access to clean drinking water, forced to wait for sediment to settle in buckets of dirty water before using it for drinking, ablution and bathing." End quote. Mr. Imran Khan also revealed in his own message that his wife is being treated inhumanely and he is not allowed to meet her. The country's de facto ruler, General Asim Munir, is believed to have a personal vendetta against Bushra Bibi, who reportedly refused to arrange a meeting for Asim Munir when Imran Khan fired him as the intelligence chief in 2019. In its press release, PTI said Bushra Bibi was denied clean water to wash her clothes inside Adiala Jail. PTI said, quote, "This is blatant oppression and a horrific violation of basic human rights," end quote.